Hi, lovelies. Welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Quickly, let's gather here and put some few ingredients together to make a very delicious shortbread cookies, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned to the end and be inspired. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's begin. I've got my sugar, brown sugar. You can use the white sugar. I've got butter and I've got vanilla extract and I've got my flour and of course my bowl. Next, I'm just adding the sugar to the bowl. Next, I'm adding my butter and then I'll quickly add my vanilla extract for flavor. Yeah. Next, I'm using my hand mixer to mix and combine all the ingredients together until nice and fluffy. Okay. This smells so good already. Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and your girl will appreciate it. So I'm all done and it's nice and fluffy. So I'll just take the hand mixer out and I'll add the next ingredient, okay, which is our flour. And here we go. Beautiful. I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together until a dough is formed. And lovelies, I will leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. For your own convenience, don't forget to check it out, okay? Next, our dough is formed. So I'll just clear the work surface and add sugar, just like so, about 2 tablespoonfuls. And now I've added our dough. I'm just dabbing the dough in the sugar just so the sugar will just stick onto the dough and it will taste very, very nice in the end. Lovely so far. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share for others to see. And don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. So now I'm dividing the dough into two so that I can start making the shapes and designs of my choice. And this is the first shape I'm going for. I am molding it into a rectangular shape and I'll make sure there's no crack on it. That is why I'm using this to seal all the cracks. Okay, and this is all nice and I love the texture. It's so rich and beautiful. It smells nice as well. Next, I'm covering it in a cling film and I'll leave it in the freezer for some few minutes for it to at least become a little bit solidified, okay? Or for it to firm up, okay? So here we go. Make sure the cracks are gone completely, okay? Just like so. So into the freezer it goes. Wow. Next, just take part of the dough into your left palm, mold it into a circular shape like I'm doing, and then make your designs on it, just like so. You can use any tool to make the design on the shape that we have made, and this is the first shape I've gone for. So I kept on repeating myself until all the dough was nicely designed. So now I've brought the rectangular dough out and now I'm cutting it out into these shapes and they are so beautiful. There are so many shapes and designs to go for when making shortbread at home and this is one of them and I hope you've been inspired with this one. So now let's separate them just like so, and after that I'll just use my toothpick or fork to make the holes or to poke holes in all of them here. You can as well use fork, as I said earlier, to poke the holes, just like so. Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and your girl will always appreciate it, okay? And if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. Kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. So we are all done poking the holes. Now let's transfer all of them onto a tray for us to bake them nicely. Check them out. Nice and beautiful. I've also got other shapes that I couldn't show you how I made them because I lost the footages. And here they are. Nice designs. Beautiful. So now let's send them to the oven and bake them. And so soon they are ready. Check them out. Beautiful. I love the color. So nice. Golden. And they are not burnt. Yes. Check them out closely and you will love this. This is so rich and it turned out so delicious. And I love the fact that it melts in the mouth so quickly. And lovelies, you love this. Using just 4 ingredients and you are good to go. Hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And hey, a very big shout out to all my subscribers and followers. I appreciate you all for the love and support. I can't thank you enough. God richly bless you. And a special shout out to Rabiatu Ibrahim, Yummy Cash Food Recipes, exhibiting Mommy's recipes, cooking with Efia Agmen TV. The list goes on and on. I can't thank you enough. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Kiss. Bye, y'all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20k subscribers? Thank you.